Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, there are many people that I respect, but I look up to Mr. Yasir Hussain. I met him in 2017 when he was looking for someone who do have an experience in website as well as in digital marketing. So luckily, I was hired in 2017 and was able to work with him. Basically, he's running an e-commerce website. He started working in 2004, and beside that he is also working in international marketplaces which are Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and House. There are many things that I get admired. Firstly, in 2004, in handmade drugs, he built an innovation while no one else was working on online site. He's the only one. He built website and he built website. That's the most thing that admired me. The second thing is that about the payment method. In 2004 there was no such payment method for Pakistan, so he started working with two checkout and start getting customer internationally. The third thing that I admired a lot at his staff and his employees. They work very well and organizedly. They are working with more than 17 suppliers in Lahore, and they manage everything very well. And beside that, they are taking every picture of their products and then listing them on their website. The last thing that I would like to add, that he is working in the future for the marketplace in Lahore, in Pakistan, and I am looking forward to it.
All right, very good. 1 minute 29 seconds. Overall, it's quite good and quite fluent. And the selection of topic, it was really appropriate. So you elaborated on this very well. A few things which are related to grammar. You said he starts working. It should have been he started working in 2004, you said. And you said he starts. So it should have been he starting. Then you said he build. It should have been he built with T. Okay, then you said again he start working, it should be started working. And then you said organizedly. This is not English word, right? You can say in proper organization, or he organized everything very well, right? Or anything like that.
Okay.
So overall it's good. You spoke for 1.5 minutes, which is fine. You spoke fluently. Looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 6.5. You can achieve 7 if you overcome these grammatical mistakes, right? Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.